Hi everyone, I welcome you to the Skull Show. Shall we? Let's pour some paint on this dead thing.
These are the colors I will be using. They're already mixed with Floetrol. I have a deep purple, it's gonna be my negative color, and metallic purple, neon pink, neon yellow, neon purple, and neon orange. All of them already pre-blended with Floetrol, my medium of choice. And all of this will be going into this cup. This is my dirty cup right here. I'm planning to use about 9 ounces or a little more. I gotta play it by ear actually. Okay, and this is the main subject today, Mr. Scully. It's gotta get its pour on. Okay, so I'm making the dirty cup layer by layer. Now that I'm reviewing this footage and looking at Mr. Scully from this angle, I think it was okay. It didn't need a second pour. But I didn't check all angles while I was working on it. So that's a mistake I shall not do again. Now it looks like he has a comb over. Yeah. And since I was having so much fun, I added a third pour. A third one. Which I think was too much. Anyway, live and learn. The paint is pooling in the eye sockets, so I'm draining the paint, the excess paint, because otherwise that's gonna take forever to dry up. I could have left it in there. If you guys have time, if you do this experiment and you have time to wait 2-3 days for that paint to thick paint in the eye sockets to dry, go for it. I just decided to drain it out. Well, it doesn't look that bad. There's action happening after all. Well, we'll see how it dries. Lights on. Let's see what we got. Now I'm making sure I cover every single square inch of this skull. And there's some paint still in those eye sockets. So I'm using that to get a coverage. And later on I am going to add black to the eye sockets, nose, and the space between the teeth. Alrighty then, let's wait and see how it dried up. On 1, 2, 3. Here we have it. Oh dear. Too much purple. Too dark. Oh well, all is not lost. I'm sure I can do something about it. I like some aspects of it. That neon pink, I really like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna add black to the eye sockets, nose, and teeth. Teeth, that's gonna be last. And this is gonna be for the teeth alone. Okay, let's get to work. Do it quickly. Okay, so off camera, I did a coat of the metallic purple all over the face of Mr. Scully and part of a lot of the forehead. And I didn't like it. So I also added the orange. Do you guys see? Orange, mostly orange, and finished the teeth So I think I'm gonna have to do this the hard way and add on straight on at the neon paint, not diluted with, not blended with Floetrol. Just straight on so that it's more UV reactive, more intense. I am looking for intensity here. Very well, this is what I have so far. It needs more layers, more paint, layers and layers. That's what makes it reactive, makes it intense, makes it look nice and bright. Right here, definitely I need more paint. Okay, let's get to it. And I'm just going at it, having fun, blending colors, layering it up. I'm gonna cover all that metallic. I don't like it after all. So I am going the hard way about it, but it's controlled and I can add highlights whatever I need to. Now I'm gonna add a neutral, aqua neutral glow by Glow Nation. It actually is a paint that actually glows in the dark. After it has been exposed to light, it will glow for a few minutes. Doesn't glow to maybe 20 minutes, something like that. And it looks pretty cool. So I'm adding it all over the teeth and maybe on the cheekbones as well. I think I'm happy with how it looks so far. And now I'm gonna untick up the teeth by adding black in the crevices and then rubbing it off with a piece of cloth and with Q-tips. It's the Q-tips are damp and they're a bit wet in order to take it off. And if there's too much black attaching, because this paint is kind of porous, a bit chalky, so I'm gonna have to add another layer of yellow paint and the Glow Nation Aqua Neutral on top of that as well. Now that it's dry, it's time to add yellow. I'm gonna let it dry and then add Aqua Neutral. Let's go fast. Oh, and by the way, I have the content of this channel available in my other channel called Pintando con Leticia, and it's all in Spanish. All right, let's zoom into Mr. Scully's smile. Look at those teeth. All finished. Finito. All right. Thank you for watching, everyone. And if you like the work that I do, please subscribe, follow me. I'm on Instagram under Felix Arwol. I am on Facebook under Felix Arwol as well, or Felix. And tengo este video también disponible en español en el canal Pintando con Leticia. Exactamente lo mismo, pero en español. Well, thank you everyone for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe. Ciao.